Hello everyone, this is Grade 1, Module 5, Lesson 5 homework. The directions for 1 say, cut out all the tangram pieces from the separate piece of paper you brought home from school. It looks like this. So you're going to cut out those pieces individually. Tell a family member the name of each shape. Now, you're going to have 3 different types of shapes in there. You're going to have the triangle, and there's a few of them. There's a square, and then there's a rhombus. So, down below, follow the directions to make each shape. Draw or trace to show the parts you use to make the shape. So use 2 tangram pieces to make 1 triangle. And the ones that I'm going to use are these 2 right here. And you'll see that that triangle is already pretty much created. So this is what it's going to look like. And we'll see that we have 1 triangle here, a second one here, and push them together, and I still have a 3-sided shape. Down below it says use 1 square and 1 triangle to make 1 trapezoid. So I'm going to use the square, and then I'll find the triangle that matches up with that side of it, which is going to be this one right there. And I'm going to put it right next to it. And I'll see I have a trapezoid. It might not look like the one we're familiar with, but all we have to have is 2 sides that are the same distance apart from each other. And that's those sides right there. So there's my trapezoid. Now use 1 more piece to change the trapezoid into a rectangle. So I have my initial trapezoid, and then I'm going to take the same sized triangle out of my tangram pieces, which was right there, and I'm going to flip it upright. And now I have a rectangle going on right there. So let's go on to page 2. And on page 2, the directions say, make an animal with all of your pieces. Draw or trace to show the pieces you used. Label your drawing with the animal's name. So you get to make any type of animal you want. I'm going to make one here just as a sample. It's going to start with 2 triangles, the 2 bigger triangles. Just like that. I'm going to put the square here. See, that's my square. Doesn't really look like a square. So I'll fix that a little bit. Okay, there's my square. My 2 small triangles that I used up above to show my trapezoid and eventually my rectangle, I'm going to put right here. And then I have 2 pieces left. I have a bigger triangle that I'm just going to put up here for right now. And then I have my rhombus. And I'll put it there. And what I have, it resembles a turtle. So this is Tommy the turtle. And again, you don't have to do that exact one. You get to make your own animal based around your tangrams. Notice I used all of my pieces, and that's a key word right there. All of your tangram pieces. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them right there. Since I'm here, he's swimming upside down. So hope this helps, and good luck on your homework.